Hello, everyone. This is Sophie from Newwell, and I am honored to introduce Newwell Smart Metering Communication Solutions to you. We have 4 parts today. The first part is about the industry background. We will introduce why we need the smart grid and what is the MAKE communication technology. And the second part is about the solutions and the products. We will introduce some Newwell smart metering solutions and products to you. And the third one is the applications. We will introduce some successful case. And the last one is about the new way. So why we need smart grid? This is the picture of smart grid. We can see it was made up of the power generation, transmission stations, distribution stations, and the end user. The end user are not only the factory, smart houses, cities, and application, but also the new energy application. For example, the electric vehicle. So we can see the number of smart grid application grows very fast. And every step we can make it more smarter. So this is the picture, and we can see the comparison between the traditional model and the smart grid. For the traditional model, we can see the connection line is very long from the end user to the power stations. And also the technology is the power line and RF. In the smart grid, if the end user want to connect with the power stations, is very convenient. And the technology is 2G and 4G. So the smart grid can improve the efficiencies and the reliability in energy distributions. There are 3 categories of IoT network: power line, radio, and cellular. Power line and RF networks are in most cases dedicated for utility application only. And the cellular network can be deployed in public infrastructure. The number of public LPWA network for IoT is growing. Newwell only focus on the cellular network products and service. Before 2020, the MAKE communication technology is 2G, 3G, and LTE Cat4. In 2020, NB-IoT became one of the communication technology. And in 2025, we think the MAKE communication technologies are NB-IoT, LTE Cat1, and 5G. The smart metering products include the smart electricity meter, smart water meter, and the smart gas meter. The second part is about the solution and the products. The first picture is the smart electricity meter, and it assembles with our communication module. The network is 2G, 3G, 4G, NB, or 5G. So the meter can connect with our service platform. We have 2 platforms. One is Newwell Asset, another is Newpite. We build a stable and reliable communication pipeline for the customer. So the customer can do the remote reading and collect the data on our service. This is about the smart metering solution for gas and water, but it doesn't need 5G. This is our product. The first one is the LTE Cat4 module N75. It uses Qualcomm chipsets, and it supports the Open Linux and GNSS function. This is our start product, LT-CAT1 and 58. It uses Unisoc chipset and it supports the GNSS and Open. This one is our LPWA module, N27. It uses Qualcomm chipset and it supports the GNS and Open versions. This is one of our other modules for MB requirements. The chipset is Unisoc and it supports the MB network and 2G network. This one is only supports the MB network. The model name is N21 and it uses the Unisoc chipset. The eSIM function is optional. And this is our new product, 5G. It uses the Unisoc chipset and the package is M.2. The third part is about the application. In 2009, Newway won the competition in the energy market by its industry-leading products. And after 5 years, we always keep the top one in China electricity IoT wireless communication market. Also in overseas market, Newway started to expand the overseas electric power market in 2014. So far, we have shipped more than 5 million modules to many different countries. For example, the India, Malaysia, and Europe. Newway also launched the LPWA modules such as the N21 and N27, which performed well in gas and water metering and other industries. In 2019, Newway cooperates with some famous water and gas meter manufacturer. For example, Sanchuan, SAC, Newsun, Yitong, and Visan. About Newway. This is the core value chain of industry IoT. It has the OS provider, the CPU provider, and the communication part provider. Newway focus on Newway is the cellular module provider and the cellular device provider. And we also have our service platforms, the NeoPi or NeoSat Cloud. Newway is founded in 2006 and we focus on industry IoT communication. We do IPO'd on Shanghai Stock Exchange. This is the picture for our China office. One is in Songshan Lake. Another is in Shenzhen headquarters office and Xi'an Center picture. About our team, we have more than 600 staff and 53% are R&D engineer. We also have local teams based on the overseas country, so we can provide the local service for the overseas customers. We are a team with the experienced radio frequency and reliability experts. Our management team has more than 20 years of experience. About our R&D capability, we have 2 R&D centers. One is in Shenzhen, another is in Xi'an. We have about 3 R&D staff. 20% have master degree or above, and 50% has a bachelor degree. And we also have the standard IPD development system and advanced testing center. Below is some picture of our testing instruments. All our module and device products must pass the performance test, environmental test, and the structure test. This is our global map. We have branches and distributors more than 20 countries, and our products are shipped to more than 40 countries. The areas includes the Europe, Indian, the SEA, US, etc. We are the key partner for the chipset manufacturers such as the Qualcomm and the Unisoc, which we also the partner for the operator, for example, the China Mobile. Also in overseas market, we are the partner of Telefonica Medtech. And below is some icon of the certifications. All our products pass the FCC and CE certification, and we also can do some other certifications such as PTCRB. So that means we can meet different customers' requirements, and our quality is very good. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.